Is little Miss Lazybones now awake? You got icky ups, didn't you? You got icky ups. Is that your lion? Good morning everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hello if you're new and welcome to another of the daily vlogs. It is now 12 o'clock pretty much. I think it's just gone 12 and little Miss Lazybones has finally woken up. She decided that she was going to wake up at like 6 until like 7:30 and then went back to sleep and has literally been asleep ever since. So I took the opportunity to edit all of the holiday vlogs, so they are now edited and just in the process of being uploaded and scheduled and everything, which is good. I've got myself a nice hot cup of tea. It's my second of the day because yeah, the first one I managed to have when she was still asleep. She's just doing a little bit of tummy time. I'm still using the roller at the minute, but I'm probably gonna switch it up and do one session with the roller and then one session just on the mat, because if you watched yesterday's video she managed to roll, which I'm so happy about because she's a lot slower at learning to roll than a lot of the people that I know that have babies around the same time. It doesn't worry me because I know that babies and children develop at different rates and things like that, but I'm just kind of glad that she's managed to do it. She's trying to crawl right now, which is quite funny because we haven't quite got the momentum, but we've got the actions. But today is going to be a really busy day. I'm hoping to vlog some of it, but I've got a feeling it's going to be one of those days where there's so much to do I forget to pick up the camera. But I've basically got to pack everything that I can pack that I won't need today, tonight and tomorrow morning. I need to pack it into like a big holdall so that we can take it down to the caravan later on this afternoon, and then it will just leave the packing in the morning of like the Moses basket and the things that we actually use. I also want to change the bedding so that we've got nice clean bedding for when we get back. I need to find out bedding for the caravan because I managed to find the duvet. We forgot it last time we went away in it, but I managed to find the duvet buried and amongst everything else. So I need to put a duvet cover on that as well, so then that can go down. I need to find pillowcases. The pillows are already down there, I just need some cases to go on them. And then once we've done that, I need to go to Lidl to just get some food bits, some snack bits, nappies, just the essentials that we're going to need whilst we're away. I need to go to Tesco for the milk because how have you got yourself in that position? I don't even know. I need to go to Tesco for the milk because I don't like the Lidl's milk, or specifically the Lidl's milk up here. When I used to live down south, I used to get the milk from Lidl's or Asda or Sainsbury's and it didn't really make any difference. But the milk from up here at the Lidl's just seems to go off well before the date. It like is really stinky 2 or 3, maybe even 4 days before like its expiry date. So I want to go to Tesco to get some milk. I'm going to get one lot to keep here and one lot for the caravan, and I'll just have to have it sparingly, I guess. So I've got that, and then I need to go to, I think I've already mentioned this possibly yesterday. If not, I was talking to Ash about it, but it feels a bit deja vu. I need to go to Home Bargains because I've run out of fabric softener. I want to get some scissors for the caravan because you can guarantee I'm going to need scissors for something. And there was someone else I wanted from Home Bargains as well, but just like quickly, like run in, get it, come out. I'm not going to look too much. And then I need to go to Sports Direct to pick up one of their big umbrellas. Hopefully they've got some in stock because it looks really dark out there, and we're calling backwards. Yeah, and I really want to get another one. We've got one big umbrella, but obviously we're a family of 3, so we need more than one. But yeah, so that is what I need to do. Then I need to cook tea. Then Ash needs a shower. me and Nellie will get in the bath. I don't even know if I've mentioned this, but she always used to have her bath in the front room. Let me just show you her a minute. Foot stomp that gets me. So if you can hear weird noises, that's what's going on down on the floor. But yeah, I can't remember if I mentioned, we always used to bath her in the front room, in like a little baby bath, and then about a month ago she started splashing quite a bit, and it was splashing like the computer, the printer and everything. So we decided it was time for her to have a bath in the bathroom, still using the baby bath. We tried it twice, but I think because the bathroom she'd never really been in, and it obviously was a scary place for her, I'm guessing, she literally screamed the second she was in the water, which was not like her because she always loved being in the baby bath in here. So yeah, we decided, what day was it? I think it was Saturday. Yeah, I'm sure it was Saturday. We decided that I would get in the big bath with her, and then she can sit like leaning and cuddling into me, and then I slowly lowered it into the water, which is exactly what we did when we took her swimming that first time. Well, so far it's the only time she's been swimming. But yeah, we did that, lowered her in, and then by the end she was sitting in there, obviously leaning against me because she can't sit up yet. But quite happy, like splashing around, playing with a little rubber ducky, like thermometer thing that we've got. And she's got her, I think it's in the bathroom, like Nellie the elephant. I showed it on a Temu haul, like little watering can, like she was playing with that as well. And absolutely loving life. So that is kind of what we're going to do going forward, and then I'll revisit it, and it might just be that she just has the big bath now. I mean, the baby bath, I paid £5 for it on Marketplace, and I use it as a little washing basket when I'm taking the stuff out of the washing machine to hang up. So it's not like it hasn't got its use, and she was using it for like 3.5 months, so like I feel like I got good use out of it. So I don't mind on that score. So yeah, so then we need to bath, and then once like she's out of the bath, I'll have a wash, and then I'll quickly turn the shower bit on, which will obviously get rid of all the bubbles, and also I can just quickly wash my hair. That should see me through until I would say Saturday morning perhaps. Hello again, you back up? Saturday morning perhaps, and then I can wash my hair before we go into the show, maybe. Yeah, that's probably what I'll do on that score. You may have noticed as well, again, I don't know if I've mentioned it, but my roots are really, really bad. They're so, so bad, but I don't quite know what to do because obviously I'm suffering from, I'm suffering from postpartum hair loss quite badly, hence why I cut it short. I know I mentioned that recently. But it does mean that I am a little bit cautious about what I do with my hair, and I'm in two minds. I really want to sort it out because yeah, this is just really annoying me, and I just find that when I've got roots like this, it just always looks greasy, even if it's like the day I wash it, like after I've washed it, it still looks greasy. She's still trying to roll over. I'll have to pick her up in a second. But yeah, so I'm in two minds whether I want to dye it or not, because I don't want it to like damage the hair even more. I don't know if it's like really damaged. They do say postpartum hair loss is more to do with your hair grows so much during pregnancy and then you lose it, that extra after. But yeah, so I don't know if it is that or I don't want to damage it basically. Anyway, I'm gonna have to pick her up now. We're getting there.
Yeah.
Plus I've got a little bit of help now. Say hiya. You didn't realise I was vlogging, did you?
I need help.
Mental?
Mental and physical.
No.
So,
Well, that's another job done. We have just put everything, well not everything, but the majority of the stuff that we could, all our clothes and stuff, into the caravan. We've just come out of the storage place, which takes ages because it's like double gated and you have to wait for the gates to shut, so it's not like a quick thing. It takes a good 5-10 minutes to get in and out of there. Ash has just gone into the post office because he needed some stamps and send some stuff, and then hopefully we can find, oh, you right, Lily? And then hopefully we can go and do the food shop. Thankfully I don't need too much. Just need to quickly go into Home Bargains. I need to go Pets at Home because I always get tricks, like a little something, like when I've been away and stuff. And then I don't need to go in Sports Direct anymore. We managed to find 2 big umbrellas, so I saved myself some money there, which is always good. And then yeah, just Lidl. I really fancy a donut for tonight to have with a cup of tea. Just get like a couple of bits to tide us over, just snacky bits, just stuff that we can have for our lunches when we're there, because Mum is getting the meals for the evenings. We're just doing like ready meal, hot dogs, things like that. And then Friday night we're just going to get something from one of the stores there, just because it's easier on the Friday because they do the night glow, so it's a long night or a long day even. It's currently 10 to 6 and I haven't actually had any lunch. And it doesn't look like I'm going to be getting tea anytime soon either, is it? But never mind, we're nearly there. It'll be worth it when we're on the road tomorrow and when we get there and can relax and enjoy ourselves. Like, it'll be worth it. It's just the getting going kind of bit, especially because there's so much stuff that Nelly needs as well. You know, it's not like just pack a bag and go anymore, that is for sure. But yeah, I'm going to go now and go and do that food shop.